recording and then I'll go through. Alright. So let me share my screen so you can see, right? And so let me know if you see the screen.
Yes, bro, your screen visible.
Okay. So first of all, you want to understand the concept of PDC, PDH, and this, right? Let me do that for you. My voice is coming, right?
Yes, bro, your voice audible. It's clear.
So let me disable. Okay. So previous day high, then I mark previous day low and previous day close. And there is one more you can mark is midpoints. It can be current midpoint, weekly midpoint, or previous day midpoint. Okay. Now this all will act as on your chart. Let me enlarge this. Yeah. So let me open. Okay. Suppose this is your candle. Okay. Opening candle.
Yes.
I mean 9:15. You see market is opening at somewhere this level.
It's a
Okay.
what time frame you are looking for? Like
Five
one time,
minutes.
1 minute, 5 minutes. Okay.
No, this is 5 minutes candle I do. But what I'm saying is at 9:08, you see Bank Nifty has settled down, right? Say it's opening around 4,100, 400. Example. Okay.
Okay.
Now this is today's opening sprint that is coming up in the market. Now say yesterday Bank Nifty has closed around 400, 396. Okay.
Okay.
So that's the closing part, right? Previous day close.
Yes.
The high was suppose 400, 4,500 was the high.
Yeah, yeah. Previous day high,
Yeah, and low was say 4,330.
300 something.
Okay, so this was low. Now at 9:08, you see Bank Nifty has settled down at 4,400, right?
Yes.
So it's opening between this range. So it's opening
Previous day
where
close and previous day
previous
close
day,
and previous day high
previous day high and previous day close. It's
close.
opening, right?
Yes.
And where it is opening is very opening near to close, not to previous day high.
Yes. Yes.
Now, this previous day close will act as a support for this opening.
Okay.
Okay, so wait for this candle to react to this level. If you see it's trying to break down but not able to close this level downside, possibility is that when this high break, right, it may move to PDH.
Yes. 41,500.
Yeah, it may move, right? It may move means the first target will be around here. If it breaks this, right, downside and followed by another candle here, then the possibility is that it will come down to test PDL.
PDL. Okay.
Right now,
Yes.
PDL will act as support. When the price is coming down, PDL becomes support. Okay.
Okay.
Now PDC will become resistance, and here PDH became resistance. Right.
Yes.
So if the candle is coming here. Now suppose you miss the entry. You saw it has closed down. You were supposed to take entry at the low of this and you miss the entry, right? Now, if you miss the entry, don't enter. Wait for this to come here, near here. Or take a turn back. Take a turn back to where? Previous day close, right?
PDC.
Now you wait for the price action here. Now this has become resistance, right? So this was first resistance tested down, second resistance if it is down, and it if it again comes here, it is testing down, possibility will come down here. So you if you miss this entry here, you get one more entry here with your stop loss just above your PDC close. So your stop loss may become 4,420 rupees somewhere buffer of, see, this is 400, right? You put a buffer of 20. So this is equivalent to 10 points in your option. Your target, your first target should
Same.
be PDL, but if PDC and PDL have a range of more than 100 points, right? Now here range is only
100
6,
points.
right? If it is more than 100 points, na, then immediately mark 50% of this.
Okay.
Price will come to midpoint of this and will test. And if it breaks the midpoint, then your next target becomes PDL. If it doesn't break this midpoint, it goes back to previous day close. I'll show you in the chart how it behaves.
Okay.
So this concept is clear. So when the range is very big, right? When the
We can.
resistance and support is range is very big, you draw 50% of this. So this will be your first target.
Okay.
Okay. Now suppose you upload 20 EMA. Now price is going like this up and 20 EMA is going like this. Okay. Price is going like this. Okay. You saw this previous day close. This is previous day high. You saw this entry here and for some reason you missed the entry, right? Now price is
Yes.
near to mid of this. Okay. And
Okay.
you just see the 20 EMA slope. What is going? 20 EMA slope is also going upside. Okay.
Okay.
But if your this is 20 EMA, right? And your price is here. It started here, right? And price is here. So you see the gap here, this gap, huge gap, right, between this and this.
Yes.
So what will happen is price will once comes back here,
20 MA, and then again it will
and
go.
if it doesn't close below here, it will start moving up, right? So what we do, we see this is missed out, we enter here, we don't check this part. Okay.
Okay.
So when we enter here, you start numbers seeing in red, then you will get panic and will get exit somewhere, right? Because now our SL is getting more, or SL will get hit if you put it here. So if you see this gap is very high, range is very high between candle and 20 EMA, wait for the price to come back. Let it go. You may feel it may go from here. Let it go. I don't enter. But possibility or is high that will come back here.
Okay.
Or let this go here. Right?
Okay.
Remember that day I wrote in the chat room that 20
No,
EMA is very far.
my small. I have a
Yeah.
small doubt here. You have written here, no, that price has to come here. That line
No,
is
no.
from midpoint, or
Price. No, no. I'm just giving example. So this is one midpoint, right? So this is suppose you miss the entry, right?
yes.
Now you see price is near to the midpoint of this range.
Okay.
And 20 EMA is somewhere little far
Sloping down. Yes.
and but it's sloping up, right? Now if price is coming back here na,
We
and
have to
then
take
breaking the midpoint again, you have a strong support of 20 EMA here. You can enter here long with below
looking
S
for long
and
long
SL
sell.
will be below 20 EMA,
Okay.
and then your target is your this resistance, so you
Okay.
can capture this move. But if you enter here, right, somewhere in the middle, what will happen, it will throw you out because it will come back to 20 EMA, or 20 EMA will try to move to price. When that happens, right, when EMA moves to price will be like this. It will go up, come down, go up, come down, it will be in a sideways mode,
Range mode side,
range mode,
yes.
right? So that time your premium will start decaying. So if you were in profit of 100 rupees, suddenly you will see you're in profit of 60 rupees because this consolidation is not good for option buyer.
Yes.
Okay, so that's one. Same with PDH. If the price, suppose you see opening is around 400. Someone joined or not? Okay, so suppose this was your PDH, right?
Yes.
Now
41,500.
you see 918 price is opening around
4.
4,490 rupees. Okay, so which is very near to PDH, right?
Yes.
Now the moment this becomes green, don't jump into trade that I'll go long because price has not touched the PDH part. So what will happen? Price may come here. It may give a break. If it sustains over this, right?
Near PDH.
If it sustains over this, you can go long on top of this with your stop loss below PDH. Don't go below this.
Okay.
If this will go below this, long SL for you. Okay.
Okay.
Give a buffer below previous 5, 10 points you give because sometime a week will come and then go back. Okay. But until this is taken out, don't go long because what will happen? Price may go up. You will see it's and see there are two kind of play, right? One enter in the breakout, one wait for the closure of the breakout.
Breakout. Yes.
So people who enter here they take a risk because they know they're going to gain extra 30 40 points from the safe place, right?
Yes.
But most of the time what will happen is there may be a hidden resistance where this price went up, it came down and closed below. That means buyers has no strength to take it up on the above PDH. Now this person entered in the breakout has got stuck. He need to just wait for this to break and go, right?
Yes.
And the person who is waiting for the closure will take a safe entry above the close of this. So he knows that now he have a small SL here, strong SL is there, support, and he can go long till it breaks the momentum, right? Now,
Okay.
for safe trader, only one part is there. This breakout can be 100 point also, right? We never know. Suppose this it opened at 414, 414 900 something, and suddenly it closed here 400 1580 it closed, right?
Yes.
Now don't jump immediately here because wait for it to come back to PDH. When the breakout is big, when the breakout is small, you can jump in the high. When the breakout is very weak, we don't jump on the next candle. Wait for it to come back and test the breakout. And if doesn't break down, make a zone here. You can go long here only with small SL. It definitely going to break this also. So this will form you an end pattern. This it will form like this. So you can enter here, small SL. You can enter here. Your SL will become this. Clear this word. And now your entry is getting
Yes.
clear.
Yes. Yes, bro. It's cleared.
Okay, we'll see. Same with PDL. So if your PDL was 4,300 and you see opening is 4,378, right? It's very near to PDL, right? So wait for this to be again tested out. If this is closed successfully, downside, again with small breakout you can go. But if there is a weak, if there is a weak formation like this in the breakout, this weak has formed, right?
Yes.
That means the buyers are here.
Yes. It's like a bullish pin bar.
So don't jump into short here only. Wait for this. Now this is your entry point now,
Entry.
not here.
Entry.
Let the retracement happen. Or if there is a 20 EMA support you are getting, then you can enter here. with 20 EMA support, and then take this low as first target, and then breakdown will be your big target. So this is called retracement entry. Okay.
Yeah, okay, bro.
So if your price is like this, if your AMA slope is like this, sorry, I'll take a new one. This is okay, right? I can remove.
Yes, bro. It's okay.
Okay. So suppose your EMA is like this, okay, and this is your PDL. This candle has open here. Second candle broke like this, right? It was a say red candle only. But do you see a wick formation here?
Yes,
That means
it's
buyers
bullish.
didn't allow to close it down, right? So it almost like a bullish pin bar.
Yes,
Now there are two possibilities, right? Either buyers will break this up and go up. So that time you have to see if 20 EMA is getting cut over upside or not, and then wait for this high to get break and you can enter. But if the sellers are strong enough, they will slowly what will do? They'll come here, right? Buyers will bring it here till here. Now you see 20 EMA is still down, right? Price has not gone above 20 EMA. Now if you see a candle formation here, rejections, then you can go short here with your SLs here above 20 EMA. So if you enter here, sorry, if you entered somewhere seeing this candle, your SL was here, and if you enter somewhere here, your SL becomes so big, right? And you don't know these buyers will allow to go down or not, right? So wait for price to retrace. No hurry. If you wait, you will get a small SL and your target becomes big. If you don't wait, your SL becomes big, your target becomes
small.
small, right? Now, if you're using pivot, right? So suppose you're using R1, R2, right? This is your pivot. This is S1, S2. Now suppose price started moving from here. You miss this rally. Why I'm telling you 20 EMA is very important, because if the price is moving with 20 EMA, right? So this all conjunction you see, right? Confluence,
Yes,
they
it
are
has break.
very strong combination of support. So if you miss this rally and price comes like this here and it breaks again, you can enter long your small SL, and you will see most of the time it will reach R2 here now, because this has retested here, right? The breakout
Yes.
has been retested. 20 EMA took the support and bounced back. Same here, price coming here, your SL, now again it break here. Now price retrace back, coming down, your SL here, and you can continue your trend in two ways till it reach here, till it reach 50%, or till any of the candle close above this. That means if it closing above green, if a green candle close right on the top, that means the price is will now giving a signal to move up. Okay, so that's the role of 20 EMA. Clear?
Yes, bro. Yes, bro. It's clear.
Okay, let's see in the chart then. Okay, see this chart of yesterday, right? And on my chart, you don't see much now levels. I'm using my reversal zone. This red box is that price can revert from the top, and this green give me a signal that price can revert from the below.
Yes.
And this red line you see, right? Small dotted red line here is my resistance one, and this small line is my support line. And this is the midpoint of R1 and R2, resistance one and support one. This is my previous day's low. This yellow you see is previous day close, and this is previous day high, right?
Okay.
Now see what happened. I think I told that price is opening between previous stage and reversal zone, right? I think that's what the message I gave in the chat room at 9:10 or 9:15. Now see what happened. Price open above PDH. As per pivot concept, if the price is opening above PDH, people wants to go long, right? Now the high didn't break, right? You see this? This candle high was not taken out. Now what happened? It retraced until where it is retraced. Now PDH is doing what? Role of what is
Taking support.
taking support, right?
Yes.
Now you now you want to sure how you want to take an entry here, right? Now PDH is see this 20 this green line you see green line
Yes.
this is our 20 EMA. Okay, so it has taken a support here. It has formed a bullish pin bar. Now if you take an entry here at this level, your stop loss will be here. Now you can take below 20,
Below PDH.
take a buffer here, right? Safe stop loss is here. Okay, but
Okay.
that's very big. Now if you go here, then I should get at least 120 points on the top also, right?
Yes.
Now I I don't see a room to get 120 points, though it has given, right?
Yes. We'll not come to know how many
Yeah,
points it will
because
give.
see, ideally this red zone was acting as a strong resistance. So either I will avoid here because if my stop loss is here, or if I move my stop loss here, which is a risky stop loss, right? One small big wick can come and take it out. 77 point of SL, and then will I get 77 point below this? Still I'm not getting, see?
No. No. You are not getting.
Yeah, so there is a possibility that you may get, you may not get. So in that situation, if this gap is not there, I will try to avoid this call entry. But this is a risky. So either you keep a stop loss below this candle low, then again it's a risky
It's
one
it's near to PDH only.
near to PDH. And then now if you see this, the fourth candle has broken the trend also, right? It closed below the low of
20.
first green candle, right? See this? Do you see this? This candle 945.
Yes.
945, 950 candle you see is the low is lower than the low of first candle, previous candle.
Previous candle
So what it
945 candle.
signals? It signals that it may come down, but it didn't come out, right?
Yes.
But always it will not happen like this, right? Most of the time it will come down. So if you enter here, your SL might have gone here. That day was exceptional case. It didn't come. So avoid taking entry where you see your risk is more than the reward. You got it? So if your risk is 10 rupees, but your reward is here 8 rupees, will you trade?
No.
You know that from here market can reverse. So if I'm ready to give 10 rupees, I should also be ready to at least take 10 rupees out.
Yes.
Because if I keep giving 10 rupees and I keep taking only 5 rupees, 7 rupees, and one day if I give 10 rupees, what will happen? All this will go right together.
Yes.
So that's what problem we do, right? So we give SL of 10 rupees, but when the moment we see this is running 5 rupees profit, we click exit. So today 125 rupees we own in Bank Nifty, but we were ready to give 250 rupees. Is this a good trade? Will it make us a good trader?
No.
No, right? So if
No.
you're ready to give 250, take also 250 from the market at least.
Yes.
So next day if you give 250, if your stop loss hit, at least this profit will go here, not from your capital. But next day if your 250 hit, 125 went from the profit and 125 went from your capital, right? Now your
Along with brokerage
capital,
also.
and yeah, yeah. So now capital is minus 125 rupees. Brokerage I'm not adding, that is different. But actual capital is dent by 125, right?
Yes.
So always plan your trade when you see if you can get a good risk reward. Now, if you remove indicator, you may enter here and you may exit here. But the good, the signal was here to exit, though it went up, right? Now, reversal, right? See this. Now, see this range between this to this. You have perfect 138 points range. Now, you see this. It went up, rejected. This candle gave a rejection. It consolidated here. It tried again to move. It got rejected. So you can take an entry here. This candle. What's the time? 1 minute.
12,
This is
12,
my,
10.
yeah, this was I was in office hour. Otherwise I could have traded this. Now where is my stop loss? Stop loss I can keep here. Just above this high. How much I'll get? Just see. If I sort right. So this candle I'll sort. And if I keep my stop loss here, swing high. 83 point stop loss and my target I'm getting as,
One.
so at least I'm getting more than 1 is to 1.
What?
So I can take a risk here, right?
Okay.
Now the 20 EMA is coming into picture now here. Now suppose you didn't enter here because price is above 20 EMA. Got it?
Okay.
Now this candle has cut down 20 EMA down. Just see
Yes.
this, right?
Yes.
So you can enter 1220, but now your stop loss should not be here because your risk reward is coming down, right?
Yes.
Because your target is coming to PDS now. So 80 points to your target. So at least your risk reward should be matching to this now. So now you can put stop loss here. Your stop loss should be this high. So if you do that, just see how much it will come. So your stop loss is here, 67 point, and I am targeting this. So I can enter. I am getting 1 is to 1. Even if it takes PDS support and go back, I can exit my trade. So I don't have to lose, right?
Yes.
So this is safe entry, and this is early entry. Considering your stop loss, if you keep here very small, and this 20 EM is cutting down, red candle, and then it came here. Now
Along
if
with
you,
here,
yeah,
yeah, here low indicator also giving an indication price has to come down, like a HMA.
yeah, this is already giving, HM is already giving here. HM is given 1210 signal that I'm going down. See this candle 1210. Okay, now suppose you miss this entry also. You miss entire trade, right?
Yes.
What you will do? Don't enter here. See this 20 EMA. That's what I was showing you, right?
Yes.
Price is here, 20 EMA is here. Now what is price is doing? Price is trying to go back to 20 EMA. And now you have a resistance called previous day close. See this. Price came here trying to reach back to 20 EMA. Resistance now faced by previous day close level. So PDC was acting as support. Now what is PDC doing? Acting as
Resistance.
resistance, right?
Yes.
Now this candle you see huge rejection.
Yes.
Now there are two possibility case again here. The price is still not reached to 20 EMA series, and price still trying to reach 20 EMA. See, so you enter here, your SL becomes here above 20 EMA.
Yes.
Now your target will be this black line. What is this black line I have created? So if you see this range,
Right.
right, support and resistance range, is total range is 302 point. So I said if more than 100, your range is more than 100 or around 100, you draw a midpoint.
Yes.
So exactly you see what is price had done. It came to midpoint. So if you have two lots, you book first lot here, right?
Yes.
Second lot, you trail it either cost to cost, or you can bring it down so that even this hits your stop loss, it doesn't make you loss in the second one also. So you bring it down, your trailing stop loss gets hit here. So you exited both the trade in profit. But if you have one lot only, try to book the profit. If you see there is a follow up candle getting rejected at the support, right? Or even with one lot, keep trailing your stop loss then. And the moment you see it as hit midpoint and you're in good profit, you can come out. So if you risk 20 rupees, you're already getting 40 plus rupees. Make sure you don't allow it to go red. Or still, if you're getting 20 plus rupees, right? Your risk was 20, you're getting more than 20 rupees.
Okay.
Then don't allow your trade to go red. You can bring your SL to cost, so that if you want to trade more, right? You want to stay longer in the trade.
Okay.
What I'm trying to say is, suppose you entered at 110 rupees, okay, with SL of 20 rupees. That means if price hits 90 rupees, you are out of the market, right?
Yes.
Now price is trading at 135. So you can move your SL to 110. So if it comes back and hit, you are in cost to cost,
Cost to cost only.
right? But if you see it is trying to go up, now it has become 145. So why to bring cost to cost now? You can still make now stop loss here 135. So at least if it hits, you are existing in 1:1. Now it went to 170. What is your 1:2? 40, right? So bring your SL to 150. Now if you see it's reversing here, you see the trend is broken. Don't wait for this to hit. Go to your order, modify this as market and exit. So you get around one between 165 to 70, you get an exit. So that you have to keep. Just thinking, okay, let now this candle 170 has come. Now next candle is close here low, right? Then it may come down, right?
Yes.
Then why to lose this part also? Modify your order, exit in the market order. So you get at least more than 1:3 now, 1:2. So this is how you have to work. Clear on this?
Yes. Yes, bro. Clear.
And
It's
don't
clear.
put stop loss based on option, okay? Option chart. So suppose this is your entry 43721 and your stop loss is suppose 43790. Now minus this, it may if it is coming 40 points, then in option you can put 20 points
Okay.
at the
Means
at the rate money. At the rate
yes.
money is zero point 0.5 delta which score this goes, right? Okay, see here, same thing it has happened here. See, opened 9 9:15 candle gave you an opening print at the previous day close. It tried to break down, right? See here. Now looking at red candle, if you feel like go short, you may get trapped because it is above the support, not below the support. Okay, so at support, never try to sell. At resistance, never try to buy. Wait for this resistance to break up to become a buyer. Wait for support to break down to become a seller. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose you see this red candle and you feel I should go short, but there is a strong support here, previous day close. And see what has happened. Price never came back to this level again, right? On that day.
Yes.
So if price is moving here, your first target becomes here. Now question comes here, where you will enter. Because if you wait for this candle, your entry is here, then your stop loss somewhere is here, 140. Very huge stop loss. Then you should get at least 140. First target is not giving you 140, next target is giving you. But that is high possibility. It may not go right because there is a strong resistance at the top. So you can put stop loss at the mid of this, or if this candle is too big, this candle is how much point? This candle is See, itself is 100 point
100,
candle. Huh?
points. Yes.
So you cannot keep stop loss below 100, right?
Yes.
So you enter here, you make your stop loss below low of this candle, buffer give 5-10 pupper. Then you have a small SL and then you get a target, you keep a target to PDH. And then you trail your SL as the price moves, right? You bring cost to cost. So you can, every green candle low, you can keep your SL. So this candle low become the SL for this. This candle low will become SL for this. So this candle low become SL for this. So if anything breaks, you're still in profit. See here, what happened? Price opened where? At PDC. Took support. Went till where?
PDH.
Hmm. And remember, before I logged out on that day also I told price taking resistance is PDH. Now don't jump long here. Seeing this candle. You have to wait for this level to come out. See, I told you, at resistance don't buy, at support don't sell, right? Now, people who went long got trapped and the price came down. Though it's end of the day chart, we feel yeah, it's all work like that. But if you follow your rule that at resistance you should wait. See, it's a strong resistance. See this candle? One, two, three, four, five, six, 7 times it tried, right? To break the previous day high.
It
It
was
didn't
failed.
succeed. And this candle low you can enter, your stop loss is small. And if this break na, this candle high you can enter because so much of attempt it had done. If it breaks, it will break with a huge force. So whenever price consolidate near to support or resistance, a breakout gives a strong move or a breakdown gives a strong move.
Yes.
Okay, so now there is a way to trade a breakout. Okay, that is where many people go. Why your breakout fail? I'll tell you. Okay, so this is resistance, this is support. Okay,
Okay.
now this level is 41,400. Okay, and this level is suppose 39,900. How many point? Say 500. Or we make it smaller. 41,000. We'll make it smaller. We make it
Make it
40,
40,900. 40.
41,100 will make.
Okay. 300 points.
300 point, right?
Yes.
Now price started here. It came down, right? Then again it went. Again it took, it came down again here, right?
Yes.
And then again it went. And again it came down. Now it breaks, I will enter. You know why? It started here, right?
Yes.
It took support here. Now is it making new high? High is here.
Yes.
So this is lower high and one
Yes.
more lower high. That means
Yes.
sellers are strong here. If this breaks now, I can enter short. This breakout I can enter, right? Now, which breakout I should not enter? Same. If the price started here, right? And I missed the rally and it came here. The price started here. I didn't enter here. I didn't enter here. Whatever a support level whether I didn't enter. Now price came here and break down. Now if I enter here, right? This is a trap for you. What happened? Price has already moved 300 point, right?
Yes.
Now the moment it breaks, you will feel I should have entered and it will go down. You will see sudden spike, it will go up because now people who were in 300 profit, they will do booking.
Yes.
Short covering will come and the price may come back here. So if it is coming directly, right? So if you have a knife coming from the top like this, will you take a risk to catch it? It may cut your hand, right?
Yes.
But if it comes like this, ting, 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 you know that you can manage it. The speed will not be much. So if it coming sharp and then breaking down, wait. Don't get hurry. Just check what 20 EMA doing. If it come back down, enter. But if short covering is happen, you may enter and you may stop. It will throw you out of the market. Same here. If price going directly here and breaking this, don't enter. Nothing will go wrong. But if price went here and made a halt, halt means it's not breaking this now. Okay, it is just doing like this. Spending time. Okay, spending time now here. So mark that box level. Okay, whichever side it breaks, plan your entry. Mostly higher chance it will break upside because it's consolidating at the top. You can sense out is it making higher high or lower low. Okay, now
Okay.
if price comes here and it halts here and make a
Time pass.
it's time pass here. That's a very good for option buyer. Something is coming big, but don't jump here because you don't know where it will go, right?
Yes.
So let it break, and this immediate breakout you can play. Don't wait for closure because this will not give you time.
Yes.
Because this will be force. It may be doom, doom. So you can enjoy, exit, or it can continue. It can continue
Se-
the fall.
Seventh, same happened. They down breakdown.
Hmm.
They started booking profit. Then again, short covering happened.
So if it that's what I'm saying, na. See, I'm already. I was waiting for 50 points. I got 200 points. Now I know it is at support. I'll try to book at least 150 points, right?
Yes.
There will be many such players who will book 200 points, right? And 50 points I'm keeping to see whether it will go down or not further.
Okay.
It's not going down. I'll book this also, right? So now what is happening? Now I'm big. New buyers came here, and these sellers have become buyers now because they have sold. Now they're buying, right? They sold this. Now they're becoming buyers, and they may join here the new rally. So people who purchase put here are trapped. Purchase who see here are trapped. So you have to see where it is taking time. If it is coming it one flow, avoid. Nothing will happen. Your money will be safe.
So how
Next
you
is
will?
next is you can
Oh,
do this. So if you see, so price started from here, right? It went to resistance.
yes.
Now it came here. Now it going like this. Now it came here. Now it came here. You can enter here. Why? These were buyers. Sellers were here. Buyers again here. Now see the buyers here. Now see buyers here. Sellers are losing strength. Sellers are not able to push it down. They brought it here. Buyers came. Buyers took it here. Sellers came in again. They were able to put it down. But is this low lower than this low?
No.
This is higher low.
Higher. Yes.
And this is higher low. And this is low. Right? So that means now this is my support for this low. Now price came here. Buyers push it again here. Now again sellers try to push. Now it becomes again one more high low. Now this time it breaks. Na? You don't have to wait for closure. You can enter.
Bro, you have any example for the like this chart?
There are many. I have to see. 1 minute. That day only I was showing this
Here
and it
only,
has happened live.
here only you can consider like this. Which one you are going now?
This one.
Yes. From making higher to low, again they go up buyers.
Yeah, it came here.
Yes.
It came
Then
here. Now
again
it's
they
now it's
again
now it's
tried.
consolidating here.
Yes, they again that tried.
Hmm.
Means sellers try to pull down, but
But
it's
now
not
you
possible.
see here, na, this candle you have to check. Okay.
Okay.
See this candle. Buyers are still here. Sellers are still here. This is not the right scenario. See this candle,
Okay.
and this you see. This I am breaking here, but there the candle itself is not yet broken. This seller's candle price is still here. This range. So if it is break, your first target should be here only. See here, if it breaks, your first target should be this. And see what price did after that. It came down again, right? Now you
Yes.
see this. Now this become your next new resistance. This candle,
Yes.
right? So that also you have to see. Let me see if we get a chart. We'll switch off. It's okay. I think this will be the good example. Seventh. Oh, that was seventh and eighth. Okay, sorry. That scenario we have got. Uh,
Here only.
no,
Here
no,
also like
no.
means the
This started
sellers.
from low only, not coming from high
Okay.
to low. We are looking this scenario, right, where it's coming from low. Acha, this
Yeah.
scenario, low to high. Yeah, low it went to previous day close. It came down. It took supported PDL. See this, and then see this low, all are higher low. Okay, now it broke. ठीक है, Anil.
Yes. Yes.
Sorry, my guests are there. I have to.
Definitely. Thank you so much for your time, sir. Definitely will connect back.
Yeah, I'll share this recording.
Sure. Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.